How do you look back at this season so far?
Yeah, it's been frustrating. Obviously, it's been a couple of years since we didn't win more than one trophy, so it's really frustrating. But look, Barri are third for a reason, and they're a really strong side. And as I said, I've already mentioned, they've caused us a lot of problems on numerous occasions this season. So, season as a whole is decent. We've finished really strong, got some good players back, ready for pre-season.
It's a cliche, isn't it? Always a tough win against TNS. What did you make of the performance?
Yeah, you've got to give them credit. You know, they've won the league a long time ago, and they've come here, put a performance in, shown us respect and shown what a good team they are. So, yeah, hats off to them.
Tough game. We should have scored more, I think, but they're good at the back. They have been all season, a good team. That's why they finished third. But yeah, it was nice to get the win in the end.
Yeah, I suppose you as a striker, it seemed frustrating at times not being able to bury chances.
Yeah, we had a few, didn't we? Me, myself included, just didn't go in today. The George keeper had a good game, so. And with that comes European football. What does the next couple of months look like?
Yeah, won't be much of a break, but we'll try and switch off a little bit. It's important. But staff will be cracking on, and we've got a couple more to get over the line and make sure we're in a better place than last season.
Congratulations as well, secured the golden boot. There's a lot of names from TNS like Greg Draper, Declan Commanders, former teammates of yours that have won it before. It's a really good company to keep, isn't it?
Yeah, listen, I didn't come into the season expecting to win it, but I have done. I started scoring a few goals, and I just thought I've just got to keep on top of my game and try and get it, yeah.
In terms of the league finishing third, and that means home advantage all the way to the final in the playoffs, should you get there. How important is that?
Yeah, I think it's massive. That's what we wanted to achieve, and we've had a good season. We've won a trophy, finished third in the league. We can look forward to the playoffs. It's going to be difficult because there's not much between the top teams in the top six, so it's going to be very difficult, but as you say, we've got a home advantage. We've got to make that count.